Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. If you are looking for a quick kitchen upgrade, I have just the cutlery set for you. Let's check it out. Right here is the 20-piece set. So not only do you get 4 of the large forks, small forks, teaspoons and spoons, also knives, it comes with this fantastic little cutlery drawer divider as well. I absolutely love it. It is kind of grippy, so you don't have to worry about them sliding around in there and going all over the place whenever you open and close the door. And not only that, but they are really, really stylish looking. They are so great. I have never wanted a black cutlery set before, but this one definitely changed my mind and I am super in love with it. It is so pretty. So I like that you have enough just for a small kitchen. If you were just starting out, you have everything you need. So guys, I didn't realize that just changing the color of your cutlery could really make you feel so fantastic. I think this is great. It's a great way to express yourself, even in the design of your cutlery. I know you'll love it too, but that's just my point of view.